Hi beauties, welcome back to Aloft Aloft. Today's video is going to feature this dip powder, which is by the brand Cooserry. So I want to initially open it up on video so that you can see everything that comes within this kit. Of course, we have the welcome packet that has all the instructions, customer care, and then of course how to remove the dip powder. Inside here we have base as well as your top coat, extra brushes, which are always good, cute little brush, mini file, which I assume are the cleaner as well as the activator, but I'll open it up in just a second. Oh, that's right, this kit came with a file as well. So that is the file along with the power cord. So this says nail polishing machine. And then this is the bit that is included. And then to the main feature, fillers. Alright, so that is everything that comes in this kit, and I will have everything linked down below so that you can find this kit if you're looking for it. And what I'm going to use today, of course, is my practice hand, which I featured in a previous video. So we're going to do that to sample, or not sample, but to swatch out all the colors instead of using an actual swatch stick, which you guys know I tend to use quite a bit. But I am now moving on to the practice here. So let's get started. The first thing I'm doing before I do these swatches is the process I would use, even if I'm doing it on my natural nail, is buff out the shine before applying any base. But one thing I did notice while using this nail file that came with the kit is that it was kind of harsh on this nail. So instead you will see me switch from using this black file to just using a buffer, which was actually much softer, which will give me a better coverage and better application for the dip powder. And as you can see, after buffing the forefinger, the two fingers compare side by side. The pinky has more of an abrasion look as compared to the one that I'm using the buffer on. It has more of a smoother finish. Don't want to bore you with the process of actually swatching the nails because most of us, if not all of us, already know how to swatch nails. My main factor is I want to show you how these colors look after swatching and doing 2 dips of each color. The colors overall are very rich. As you can see, the colors, I haven't applied activator yet, but the colors are very close, if not almost the same color as they appear in the jar, which is actually good. That's really the reason why we swatch colors, to see if they're going to be the same as the color that appears in the jar or if they're going to be different, and sometimes they're way off. But in this case of using the Cooserry Dip Powder kit, I have to say these colors are just about spot on. So what you see is actually what you get. I also wanted to test out the glitter color and see how that looked once applied over this pink as well as the tan color. So I just took the dusting brush that they gave and sprinkled the glitter on top of that. After the activator, I applied the top coat. I actually timed it to see how long it would take for that top coat to dry, and it was actually 2 minutes on the spot. Before everything was dry, I was able to tap it, had nothing stick to my fingers. Now here I want to show you, because before I applied the activator, I said the colors were spot on. But after I applied the top coat, that's when I noticed that the colors kind of shifted a bit. So once you apply the top coat, the colors tend to darken a bit. They're still close to the color that you get in the pod, but once the top coat dries, they actually tend to be a bit darker. I want to give you that heads up because, as I said, that's why we always swatch the colors, so that we know if they are spot on with what we see or if they turn out to be a little different. So this completes my swatching of the Cooserry Dip Powder Nail Kit. And as I said at the beginning, all products will be linked down below, and they can also be found in my Amazon store. And as always, thanks for watching.